Right here.
Oh, it's right here?
Yep.
Is it at a park?
What?
Is it at a park?
They got lots of
You guys, we're going to Ikea to feel, touch, and see the Pax system items and start our design. I am so excited for my dream closet.
So cute. Take pictures of what you want.
No.
Oh my gosh, look at the shark. Rah.
Our side.
Look at there's a dinosaur over there. Does it have the soft clothes? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have watched so many YouTube videos on this Pax system, and here I am designing my own. It's so beautiful. It's just so nice. Look at this. You guys, are you kidding?
And it updates itself, so whenever you have more additions or changes,
Okay.
it will give another code,
Awesome.
so you can make more comparisons to it.
Okay, that makes it simple.
Right, yeah. So this portion, you know, remember I told you the 14-inch depth?
Mm-hmm.
The inside wall of this is 14 inches.
Gotcha.
So it allows to more access to the inside portion of this.
Okay.
More realistic because we want to put drawers in the bottom and the center, and then hang on both sides, and then hang on top. So the 330 is.
That is so cute, Kai.
It's like the beds are small. I don't want them. Those are small.
Okay.
This one I
What? You like this bedroom? Do you like the bed?
Yes, I will. Even shoes. I need them.
All right. You guys can design your room when we get ready to do that. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna bring you into this room right here and show you. This is our kind of like out room. I don't know what you would call this, sun room. This was here when we bought the house with all of this windows. All the windows are so actually beautiful, and so literally those are gonna stay And once we're gonna put let me just start over. This is the room. We have our playroom, our school room for homeschool. We have a band room in the middle. This is like 3 in 1. We have our drums here with our like guitars and things. And then this is our gym. And then in that room, or that door right there, you can open it and then you can go into my room. So what we're gonna do is we are going to enclose this area. So starting like from just a little bit off this window right here, we're gonna build a wall right here and enclose it. This is gonna be my walk-in closet. So this window is gonna be going away. We are going to be enclosing the ceiling with recessed lighting for the closet. And then we are gonna be most likely going with the Pax system. And I'm so very excited. So this door, if I can open it, goes into my messy room. Yes, it does. So this door will be gone. He'll get rid of this and we'll have a barn door on the other side. So he's gonna be doing this pretty soon. This is very exciting to me. If you can envision it, let me know in the comments if you can see what I'm saying. Does it make sense? I want it to be so aesthetically pleasing and beautiful. Like every time I walk in, I just want to have my breath taken away. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how like you walk into a beautiful boutique and you see all the clothes, the shoes, the jewelry, the hats, the accessories. I want that in this closet. So these are my clothes and my shoes. I need like shoes racks. And so all of these clothes are stuffed in. And then I barely even get ready. I don't like barely, because I don't know what I have. So I have all my shoes stuffed up there. Purses just laying there. And yeah, like there's shoes back there. There's like a lot of shoes and beautiful things. And I can't see them. So I can't wait to have a beautiful shoe rack. My husband's, this is all my husband's clothes. So I want him to have like all of his. Breakfast. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
It's happening. My closet is becoming a thing. I'm so excited.
Whoa. Howdy.
It's tight.
It's done right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we paint it. This one, this has got one, two. But then there's two in the house and another room.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
I'm so excited for my new closet.
where's gonna be
What?
here or there?
The door is gonna be right there.
Just here?
Yeah. We're just gonna take the door off. Yeah, we're just gonna take the door off. So there'll be no door.
We're gonna put it here.
Nothing. It'll be open. So I can get inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's gonna? Okay, now I get it. Is
No.
there gonna? Is there gonna? Is your closet going to connect to the garage or?
No, it'll connect to my bedroom.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what's gonna be right over here?
The cupboards.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be all cabinets.
What's gonna be right here?
Cabinets.
Right here?
Yep, it'll be Daddy's.
Okay. What's gonna be up there?
Mommy's side.
Okay. Okay. What's gonna be a roof?
The lights. Yeah, be careful, my son. Oh my goodness. We have mud and drywall. Next. I don't know what's next, but it's coming along. So excited. My closet.
What kind?
What'd you say? Woo? Woo? Oh, uh-oh. Are you doing the lights that way? You're supposed to do them vertically.
What?
He's so happy.
Probably wet sand this edge just a little bit more.
This is the best thing that has happened all day. The lights in. It looks so pretty. Oh, it's just pretty and white. Look at the rest of the furniture is going to be here on Monday. I cannot wait. Literally, it's been so fun filming and being on this journey. And if you're watching this because you have an aspiration to like build your own closet, do it. It is so much fun. And you know, we're going to be building. So stay tuned for part 2. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss it. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to show you.